Alright, there we go. Sanitaire SC899 being the beast it is. So, we got a good bag chunk. I don't think I'm going to empty it. I like it full. Well, it's not full, but it's where I like it. But anyways, so guys, please tell me, I'm going to put a vote in the comments. Tell me what you guys think of this widescreen mode. If you like it better than what I do normally. I think the widescreen looks nicer, but I want to know what you guys think. Please let me know in the comments and put a vote so that I know. Now, I should have another video from the vacuum center coming up at some point here where it shows me smashing some plastic vacuums. I think a Dyson clip was involved in there. I'm currently editing the video, but hopefully in the next couple of days or sooner I'll have it out. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.